What's up, guys? We're back from the two-tire road call in the rainstorm. We're back at the shop. Now we're going to deal with this problem, which is this radiator. As you can tell, we got a bad spot. It's leaking a little bit of coolant, but my partner went ahead and tore it out yesterday, thinking the radiator we ordered was going to be here, and it's stuck in Georgia. So, unfortunately, I'm going to do some shade tree mechanic stuff on this truck because this truck has to leave in less than 12 hours for a delivery in New York. Needs to leave tomorrow morning to be in New York Monday and New Hampshire on Tuesday. So I'd see he did get the new belt on, which was another problem. They gave us the wrong belts. So we're going to go ahead and do what we got to do to get this truck done tonight so the driver can leave out in the morning. The trailer's already loaded with a load that pays $5.50 a mile, so ain't got a choice in this one. Just want to say thanks, FedEx, for causing more headaches. I had a feeling we should have just left it alone and let the truck go and did the radiator next weekend, but these are the cards we're dealt, and this is what I'm going to have to deal with right now. So, really looking forward to this one. Let's see if we can make it happen. Alright guys, so I just shoved a bunch of shop rags in the bottom and a bunch of shop rags in the top just so I don't build too much pressure. This is where he thought he saw a bad spot, but it wasn't there, so we'll spray some stuff there. See if we can see it. Try and get it. This is just soapy water. There it is. See it? Like I said, I don't really condone this, but right there. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna clean this real good, and we're gonna JB Weld it. That's what we're gonna do. This truck was only leaking like a half a gallon a day with the radiator cap tight under pressure, so if we JB Weld it, it should be good. And then I'll just change the radiator next week when it comes in. So it sucks to do this job twice, but money's money. And if the wheels ain't moving, we ain't making no money. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. I'm gonna JB Weld it, and we're gonna slam this radiator back in this truck, charge the AC, and pull it out, hook it to the trailer so this driver can make his delivery. So this is what I used. Quick weld. Sets in 4 to 6 hours. Set time is 6 minutes. Cures in 4 to 6 hours. So we got it all mixed up. Got it in there. Remember, you use equal parts. So we're gonna let that set for the 6 minutes, and then we're gonna throw this radiator in the truck. Like I said, I don't condone doing this, but this is a personal truck, so I would never do this to a customer truck. But once again, FedEx screwed us over. So for all the haters that are gonna hate that we're JB welding radiators, sometimes you got to do what you got to do to get the job done. So go hate somewhere else. Well guys, it's running. Not leaking any coolant. Starting to make it go up in there. So it looks like he's going to make his delivery. Gonna be able to leave in the morning. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's a short video, but it's all wrapped up. Just gotta add some washer fluid. AC's charged, it's going cold, so go ahead and close it down and then text this driver and let him know he can leave in the morning.